This program was brought to you by PennyMac TPO. Visit tpo.pennymac.com to learn more about becoming a partner and starting your journey to greatness. With the people, products, and technology to take you there, it's why they say, at PennyMac, greatness lives here.
Welcome to The Interest, your daily breakdown of the news that matters. I'm Mike Savino, and these are your headlines for today, June 1st. Our top story: mortgage rates slipped again, but that wasn't enough to spur a rebound in business. In fact, applications have tumbled to their lowest level in 18 months. Mortgage rates fell for the fourth time in 5 weeks as concerns of a weaker economic growth and the recent stock market sell-off drove Treasury yields lower. Applications fell by 2.3% from the prior week, with both purchases and refis dipping. Refis are now down 75% from last year, while purchase loans are down 14% over the same time period. One area where activity remains strong is loans for larger purchases. Demand is high at the upper end of the market, and supply and affordability challenges are not as detrimental to these buyers as they are to first-time buyers. The overall drop in loan activity comes despite rates falling for the second straight week. The rate for the 30-year fixed mortgage fell to 5.33%, and the 15-year is now under 5% at 4.93%. In other news, Fannie Mae's guaranteed book of business slowed down after a booming March. The book grew by almost 10% in March, but in April it went up by just 3%. That's the smallest monthly increase since July. Still, Fannie Mae says its book is up 6.5% overall since 2021. On a brighter note, delinquencies for single-family homes were down another 7 basis points to under 1%. And finally, CrossCountry finds itself in another lawsuit over poaching employees, but this time it's going on the offensive. The company is accusing rival Guild Mortgage of recruiting away a branch manager and encouraging her to steal customer information. In fact, CrossCountry claims that the branch manager, while still employed at CCM, took efforts to convert, export, and appropriate a substantial amount of CCM information, data, and other property for the purpose of benefiting Guild and herself to the detriment of CCM. This includes sending commission reports and spreadsheets with customer information from her work email to her personal account over a 6-month span ending in January 2021. She then contacted those customers once at Guild to originate loans. Guild declined to comment when we reached out to them this morning. Several companies have filed lawsuits accusing CrossCountry of engaging in a systematic raid of branch managers. Guild, Caliber, and Loan Depot all claim that CrossCountry conspired with those managers to bring staff and customer information with them. But one of those poached branch managers at CrossCountry has responded with his own lawsuit, claiming he left because former coworkers at Guild harassed him.
This program was brought to you by PennyMac TPO. Visit tpo.pennymac.com to learn more about becoming a partner and starting your journey to greatness.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to mortgagenewsnetwork.com.